Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It feels like forever since I filmed a video. I know I didn't upload Sunday. I'm actually filming this Monday, so I didn't upload a video yesterday, and I'm really sorry about that. If you guys saw my last video, which should be my, what did I do? Vlog? Pretty sure it was a vlog. Then you would know that I was feeling a little under the weather, and I thought it was just gonna be like allergies and I was gonna like feel better or whatever. No, I ended up getting, I'm pretty sure, a sinus infection. I had like 2 pretty rough days, but I am back and better than ever. I'm feeling good, so I'm really excited to film this video for you guys. I'm so sorry I didn't upload, but I was sick. So I'm here with another huge Lululemon try-on haul. I have 4 online orders. Let me make sure that's everything. I'm pretty sure this is over the span of, so one order was from June 16th. The next order was from June 22nd, and then June 23rd. So stuff from the past 2 launches. So that's fun, but yeah, so I don't even really know what I have. I haven't even opened it. Like I said, I was sick and I wanted to wait for you guys to open everything. So if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. So as always, I will have my measurements down below. I'll have all my Lululemon videos down below. I'll have all these items linked in the description box for you guys to shop. So let's get started. I know in my last Lululemon haul, people were nervous by my box cutter, but you know, I just literally today got my nails done. Really pretty, but I just got them done and I don't want to like tear into the package, so I'm just doing it this way, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, so this is actually from that first order. First things first, I got another pair of Wunder trains. These are the Wunder Train high-rise crop 23-inch in a size 4 in the shade Jubilee. These were $88. I know you guys are thinking like, didn't you buy this color in Invigorates when it dropped a couple weeks ago? Yes. But when these dropped on, I believe June 15th, I actually ended up returning the Invigorates because they were $128, and I like Wunder Trains more than Invigorates by like a little bit. And I was like, hold up. These are 23-inch crop, which fits me full length, or I could have kept the Invigorates 25-inch for $40 more. Like, it just didn't make sense. So I was like, I'm gonna return those because I didn't wear them or anything, and get the Wunder Trains. And I'm really glad that I did because you guys know I love these. I love this shade. I wish they would come out with it in more items. It reminds me of Wisteria Purple a little bit. You guys know Wunder Trains are my favorite. 23-inch fits me perfectly. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say other than I freaking love Wunder Trains because they feel like a lines, but they're durable enough to work out in. Like, these are my go-to workout leggings, and they're very flattering. They've got the inseam and the butt. I haven't bought a pair of Wunder Trains in so long, I guess just because of the summer, but it's got a drawstring, and I got these in a size 4 because it's my Wunder Train sizing. So happy about these. Love the color. Okay, that was all for that bag. Don't worry guys, I'm being careful that I'm not cutting into the clothing. Ooh, this was from last week's drop, and surprisingly this was the only thing I bought from last week's drop. I snagged the Sonic Pink Align Tank. I am so happy about this. I'm actually wearing the Heather Sonic Pink tracker shorts, but yeah, I snagged these before they sold out, and, or not these, I snagged this, but I got it in a size 4, $58. I love this shade. It is so pretty. I don't have like a bright pink Align tank, so I'm really excited about this one. I think it's gonna look so good, even with the shorts that I'm wearing right now. So cute. It is sold out, but hopefully they'll restock it whenever they do restocks, which is like 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. But it's so funny because one of my subscribers tagged me in a TikTok of a girl, I'm pretty sure she's a Lululemon educator, and she like posted a TikTok and was like, run, like, get the Sonic Pink Align tank, it's gonna sell out. My subscriber tagged me in that TikTok, and then the girl who did the TikTok literally like pointed up and was like, yeah, what she said, tagging me. So I'm assuming she watches my videos or knows of me at least, so that was pretty cool. But I was like, oh girl, you already know, I bought it. And the girl was right because it did sell out so fast. But I love this color. You guys know I just got it in the Aligns, I think my last video that I did. Sorry guys if the angle like changed. My camera died, so I had to put a new battery in. But what I was saying is that I'm super obsessed. Next up, we got this one. So this was from my order June 16th, I'm pretty sure. But, of course, I had to get another Like a Cloud longline bra, size 6. You guys know the drill. I'm obsessed with these tops. So stinking flattering. You guys know I get one in like every haul because I get them every time they drop in a new color. I'm not a huge fan of this Spice Chai color. I forgot to mention, but yeah, this is Spice Chai. Not a huge fan of it. I do have it in the cool RACERBACK tank. I mean, it's not horrible on me, but it's just like, like, you know, I'm not obsessed with it. I know a lot of people are, but yeah, I just had to get this because I love these tops, but I'm really starting to like the Ebda Street little bra tops from Lulu. That's what I'm wearing right now. Got this a while ago, but today's the first day I wore it. I literally got this back in like November or October, somewhere around there. But these are just like the best. They're so flattering. They're literally so soft. You guys know I love these. They literally feel like a cloud. And they don't have annoying removable cups. So they're literally built in. That's why I love it. You know, you guys know. I'm just repeating myself. Because if you watch my videos, you know those are my ride or dies. Okay, go get one. Next up, another one of my ride or dies. This is the cool RACERBACK short tank, size 4 in Dew Green. This is a new color that dropped last week, I believe. And what do you know? Another line right down the middle of my cool RACERBACK tank. Always happens. But apparently that's normal. So I'm just gonna have to like wash it and get used to it. But honestly, this kind of reminds me of like a mucus green. I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely gonna have to like tan a little bit before I wear this. I don't know how I feel. Do I keep it or return it? I kind of like it, but my face is really pale right now, so I feel like that's why I'm like kind of sketched out about it, but maybe with a tan it'll look better. But I just had to get it because these are my favorite tops and I literally have every single color that I can get. So let me know. I was gonna return my Spice Chai one and my water drop one that I got in last haul because of the line down the middle. It's literally sitting in a bag right in front of me, but then you guys were like, no, like that's normal. So I didn't return it. But now I'm like, do I have too many of these? Like, do I need to return these? Or at least one, but it's like, these are my favorite. Well, one of my favorites. I actually prefer the Like a Cloud bras over that, but a close second. Last up, we are flying through this. Don't ask me why. All right, yay. So I finally got my hands on a perfectly oversized crop crew. Holy crap. What material is this? Soft stream fabric. This is it, guys. This is it. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love the perfectly oversized crews, and I just thought that this was a cropped version, but it's definitely a different material, and it is so cute. I got a size 4. Probably could have done a size 2, but it's okay. But I got it in white opal. This was actually pretty expensive for a cropped crew neck, but I get the hype now, okay? I get it. I got it in white opal because I thought it would look really cute with like maybe my pink lines, like in the fall, winter. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is so comfy. I'm so excited. I've never tried these before. It's really a weird material on the inside, but I'm not mad about it. Okay, look at me stepping out of my comfort zone at Lulu and getting something that I haven't tried before. Who is she? Last up, can you guys guess what this is? So I got another cool RACERBACK short tank in a size 4 in the shade black because I actually don't own a black one. I don't even think I own a white one because they're always sold out. But one day I was just randomly stalking the website and was like, wait, they have this in stock. And I don't think I have it in black. At least I'm pretty sure. I probably should check. No, I know I don't have it in black. I'm gonna double check. But yeah, I just, you know, I needed it in black. I'm really glad I got it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this black. So now I have the mucus green, the black, the water drop, the Spice Chai, 4 new babies of these in my collection. Then I definitely have pink puff, Tidewater teal, blue linen. What other colors? You guys know I just have a ton of these. All right guys, that's everything that I got from Lulu. I popped off with the color palette today. Very different. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. I do a lot of Lululemon videos. Click that bell to be notified whenever I post, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. Follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items, as always, linked in the description box, along with my measurements and all my Lululemon videos. Let me know what you guys want to see next and what your favorite item was. I love you guys. I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.